Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Nova Y61 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to open the settings and now let's find biometrics and password. Now let's tap on fingerprint ID, which is at the very top. And as you can see, this is the very first step of adding the fingerprint if you do not have a screen lock. Of course, if you've got one, you will be transferred to the proper step with adding the fingerprint. If you don't have the lock screen, you really have to set it right now because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the lock screen kind of pin, pattern, password, whatever. Of course, you can change unlock method. I will pick, as you can see, you've got 4-digit pin, custom pin, pattern, password. I will pick the pattern. So let me draw the pattern, redraw it, and tap on done. Hello? Okay, and as you can see, we've got this kind of options which are connected with the fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for, so the unlock device, access safe, access uplock, or auto-filling usernames and passwords. We can decide what we want to use right now or just tap on new fingerprint, but after picking, for example, unlock device, your device will immediately transfer you to adding the fingerprint, so it doesn't really matter. So here we've got the instructions where we have to place our fingers. So the sensor, for the fingerprint is located on the power button on the side of your device. So let me put my finger on it. Of course, use the finger which you will usually have on this side, right? So probably your thumb. So right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So of course, change the position of the finger. As you can see, if you will double the same area, your device will tell you. So right now we have to tilt the fingerprint, which simply means that we have to do something like that. Just, you know, maybe not corners, but all of the areas. All right. And as you can see, we just successfully added the fingerprint. We can rename it right here. So let's do it, because why not? That was my index finger. Tap on OK. Your device will ask you if you want to set up face recognition. I don't want to do that. And here again, we've got the fingerprint options. As you can see, we've got the unlock device turned on. Of course, you can turn those options on too. Here you've got the fingerprint list, and I've renamed my finger in order to show you this option, identify fingerprint. So if you will have more than 1 or 2 or 3 fingerprints added, your device is able to identify it. So for example, if I will put my middle finger, it will not recognize it at all, and if I will put my index finger, it will highlight it, as you can see. So that's kind of cool. And as you can see, you can add up to 5 different fingerprints, of course, just by using this new fingerprint option. And here you've got some customization again. You've got the unlock when screen is off. Let's tap on it. You can rest finger or press the button. I highly recommend to use this option because it's much easier, because if you will pick press button, you will not only have to use the finger with the fingerprint you just added, not only use it, but also press the button. So it may be quite uncomfortable in some situations. So I highly recommend to keep this option set actually. And here you can decide if you want your device to vibrate when the fingerprint is not recognized. As I said, it's totally up to you. So let me look at the device and let's check if it is working. Enough of talking, I promise. Let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is immediately unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Huawei Nova Y61. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.